Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to find Roblox server region in Windows 11 PC. Choosing the right server can significantly improve your ping and gameplay experience. Let's get started. Step 1. First, install the BTR Roblox extension. Open your Chrome browser and search for BTR Roblox extension. Select the official Chrome Web Store result. Click Add to Chrome to install this free extension. Step 2. After installation, go to roblox.com. You'll notice new interface elements added by the extension. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select BTR Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This opens the extension's configuration panel. Step 3. In the Settings window, scroll down to the Advanced section and expand it. At the bottom, you'll find the Server Region option. Click the drop-down menu and select Region. Choosing a region closer to your physical location will typically give you better ping. Step 4. Now join any Roblox game. On the game's server selection screen, you'll see new information showing server locations. Filter out full servers to see available options. The extension displays each server's physical location, helping you pick the best one. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tech solutions.